Short handles that are easy for children to hold. Can rest against the edge of the plate without sliding off. The design makes it easy for a child to learn to scoop up food. The perfect complement to our baby plate and baby cup. BPA-free plastic made in Sweden. Top reviews from the United States. The perfect BLW utensils. My 4.5-month-old is just starting semi-solids in our BLW process. These spoons are the perfect length for him with a thicker handle that makes it really easy for him to grab onto. He's already able to get the spoons into his mouth on his own because they're such a perfect size. Definitely recommend.